Sarah.
Well, Rita, we've got some fairly big contrast in the weather across the UK today, and that's shown quite nicely by the satellite image. Cloudy and milder conditions across parts of Northern Ireland, Scotland and the far north of England, but further south for the bulk of England and Wales. Colder but also brighter conditions with plenty of sunshine, but where we have that sunshine, also a bitter wind coming in from the northeast. So temperatures perhaps 4 to 6, but add on the wind chill, it'll feel sub-zero across some southern parts of the UK. Although temperatures on the thermometer across the board reading around about 4 to 7 degrees, so a little bit milder than we've seen recently. Now, through the course of this afternoon into this evening, clear skies persist in the south, but gradually cloud starts to creep its way south from further north. Now, if you are lucky enough to be heading to Cardiff for the start of the Six Nations, quite a chilly evening to come, only around about 2 or 3 degrees. Clear at first, but then that cloud pushes in, although it will stay dry. So the cloudy and milder conditions in the north creep their way further south. Across the far south of England, we could have quite a widespread frost. This is where we're keeping the clear skies for longest, and also a little bit of frost across parts of the central belt of Scotland. But for most places, actually, we're starting off Saturday with those temperatures just about above freezing. So having a look in more detail at 9 o'clock in the morning, across the bulk of England and Wales, we're looking at quite a lot of cloud. That cloud just bringing a few light spots of drizzle, but most places dry, 3 or 4 degrees. Still a bit of a cool breeze first thing, but that breeze should be easing through the day. Further north, across the far north of England, Northern Ireland and Scotland, 1 or 2 freezing fog patches here at first. And where we do get some patches of fog, they could be fairly slow to clear through the day. But equally, some sunny spells across many parts of Northern Ireland, Scotland and Northern England too. Quite a breeze building though. Windy conditions for the far north of Scotland, particularly towards Orkney and Shetland, where there could be gales. But elsewhere, lighter winds, a different feeling day, more in the way of cloud than we're seeing today. That cloud bringing some spots of drizzle here and there. Probably the best of the sunshine for Northern Ireland and Scotland. But we've got this big area of high pressure well and truly in charge of our weather, and that's not shifting away for a while. So pretty quiet conditions, not a great amount of change as we look through Sunday. Again, we could start with a few spots of frost and perhaps some freezing fog here and there. Some sunny spells, especially in the east, but generally fairly cloudy. Temperatures up to perhaps 7 or 8 degrees at best. On into next week, we've still got that high pressure, so fairly uninspiring weather for you for Monday and Tuesday. Mainly dry, quite a bit of cloud, around 5 to 7 degrees or so. So we've lost the frost and fog and the wintry weather of the past few weeks for now. Rita.
Thank you, Sarah.